In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Safe Search on Google Chrome laptop computer. To begin, make sure you are on your laptop and that Google Chrome is available on your device. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, your dock, or your applications menu, depending on the type of laptop you are using. Now, navigate to Google. In the address bar at the top of the Chrome window, type google.com and then press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the Google homepage to load. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of the Google homepage. You should see a link labeled Settings. It is usually located near the bottom edge of the page, along with other links. Move your cursor over Settings and click it one time. After the menu appears, look for the option called Search Settings. Click Search Settings from the pop-up menu. Once you are on the Search Settings page, look for the section related to Safe Search. It is usually found under a content-related area, and it may be labeled Safe Search. When you find the Safe Search section, look for the available options. To turn Safe Search off, select the Off option. Click directly on Off so that it becomes the selected choice. Now that Safe Search is set to off, you need to save the change. At the bottom, look for the Save button. Once you see it, click Save. Google may show a confirmation message letting you know that your preferences have been saved. That covers everything you need to know.